welcome back to my channel. Like always, I'm How To Tech Tips, and I hope you enjoy my videos. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share any of my videos. If you guys have any requests, please comment in the comments section below, or you can even email me. My email is in the description below. Also, I am taking emails as well. If you guys are having any issues with any of your tech, then feel free to email me and I will try my best to help you guys out. So I'm going to start by saying that I've recently created a website. You can see it right here on my screen right now. There's a bunch of different tabs that I have. The website's, of course, called howtotechtips.com. And basically, the main function, but I think for this website, is the forms section. So you click on forms. Here, you will find all of your, troubleshooting. If you want to sell, your Microsoft equipment, Apple equipment. There's just tutorials and laptops. Sometimes one person may have an error. I might not have the message, but somebody else might. Before open discussion for everybody that needs help with their technology. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a Windows 11 bootable USB installation media. Basically, what this tutorial is going to do is it's going to show you how to make your computer run from the USB drive that has Windows 11 on it. So what we're going to need is, of course, a USB drive. Make sure that it's at least 8 gigabytes big, and also a reliable internet source. So we're going to get started here. We're going to first download the Windows 11 ISO. So we're going to open up a internet browser. And in Google, we're going to write Windows 11 ISO. Just like that. And then we're going to pick the download Windows 11 from the Microsoft website. And then here you'll get a bunch of different options. You have 3 options for installing and creating Windows 11 media. We are going to pick Create Installation Media. We're going to download this guy, Media Creation W11. We're going to hit left click on save. It should only take a couple seconds. And then from here, we're going to want to open it up. The computer's a little bit laggy because I haven't been on it in a few months. So it's taking a little bit longer than I wanted to, but while we're waiting, might as well let you guys know that I will be posting new content all the time, and to subscribe and hit the notification button to let you guys get notified when I post something new. So we're going to get this notice of license terms. We're just going to left click on accept. They're going to be getting things ready for us. And then here it's going to tell us the language that we want. So to change it, we would just uncheck that And then we can change it to whatever language, but I'm just gonna check it and it's gonna tell us. Gonna leave it gray so we can't change it. And then here we have two options, USB flash drive or ISO file. So we're going to just click on USB flash drive. And then here it will be listed all your different USB inputs. So also your, external hard drive will be in this list. Just make sure that you have the correct USB or external drive that you're going to be using. And just to be sure, let's say I had two here, so I had a D and E and I didn't know which one. I can just go to this PC and then, okay, I see that it's D. So then you would just have it highlighted and then you would click next. And then the whole process would start. Anything that you have on your USB or external drive or whatever you're using, it's going to get completely erased. And yeah, and then it'll finish. I already have it downloaded. Hopefully you didn't get rid of it yet. So I just X that. But once you are done, you'll get something like this. And let's say that your computer is the one that you, like this computer or this environment's the one that you want to update. Then we can actually double click. And then here we can just double click on setup.exe. And then this would basically just start the entire installation process for Windows 11. So I don't think my computer, or this tower anyway, is compatible for Windows 11, but we'll see what it says. You can also go do it a different way. You can hit your boot menu. So my computer is an Asus. So my boot menu would be, I believe, F12. And then you would have to change the boot order and make sure that the D drive is on the first position. But I always feel that, that technique is fine, or that way is fine, but I feel like this is way easier to follow. But that's my own personal preference. Curious what it's going to say. Because I did do the PC health check and it said I wasn't compatible. And again, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and check out my other videos. I have a lot of cool videos going on right now. Okay, so it says install Windows 11. It might be checking. And you would just go through this as if you were doing, Windows 10 installation. It's the same sort of process like all the other ones. And that's basically it, guys. Once it's done, it'll reboot and Windows 11 will be installed on your machine. Basically it. Thanks, guys, for watching. I'm How To Tech Tips. If you guys have any questions as well, forgot to mention, if you guys are having any issues or questions, feel free to comment below or you can even email me. Thanks for watching. I'm How To Tech Tips. Keep teching on.